learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and today we're gonna test Leo again to introduce us another proverb, but not just any proverb. It has to do with the weather condition right now. 又要来这个请 Leo 老师呢介绍跟9月份有关的谚语，可以吗？
哎呀，又要考我了，是不是？没问题，我马上就想到一个了。
真的是比电脑还神。Okay, he's got one proverb already. And what is it?
今天要介绍这个谚语哈，跟有一个节气还蛮有关系。就是9月初9是什么节？
重阳节嘛。
对，重阳节啊。今天要介绍的谚语哈，就叫做太阳水。
太陽水，
二陽逢，
二陽逢，
三陽冇水後樹洞，
三陽冇水後樹洞。OK， 很押韻，但是跟重陽節有什麼關係哦？
哎呀，就是太陽，就是重陽節。重陽節那天如果下雨。
所以就9月初、9月9的时候，如果下雨 ，OK，if it rains on the elderly day, which is the 9th day of the 9th month of September，
然後二陽逢就是9月19的时候，那天有起风，有刮风。
OK，and if wind blows on mid-September， 然后呢？
然后三陽就是9月29的时候呢。某水后树洞就是不会下雨，那天是好天气，大家就可以准备来收割了。
不错不错，这对农夫来讲的话是一个好事啊。
对啊，对啊，
对不对？好好
就可以来判断一下气象天时，然后呢，可以赶快来准备一下什么时候要来收割。
Love it. Okay, so the conclusion is to have a good harvest at the end. Let's hear this explanation entirely in English, though.
A watery Chongyang festival followed by winds and then the sun leads to a good harvest. According to this Hakka proverb, if it rains during the Chongyang festival in the 9th month of the lunar calendar, the weather will probably be windy later on in the month, which is perfect for harvesting rice that will be as round and succulent as pearls. However, another proverb describes the opposite. If there's no rain during the festival, pray for rain. If the rain don't come, then there could be a drought in the winter.
And Leo, repeat the proverb again for us.
太陽水，二陽逢，三陽冇水後樹洞。
And dedicated to any farmers out there that need a good harvest this month. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.